Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be telling you how you can use the automated AI chatbot on eBay. So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go onto ebay.com and then you're gonna click on help and contact at the top over here. Now once you're over here, you're gonna go down and you're gonna select contact us. Now you're gonna select an issue you have. So let's say account, or let's go into buying, and then let's click on how buying works on eBay. Now over here you will see this blue option where it says chat with our automated assistant. So you're gonna click on this. Now once you click on this, a new window will appear at the right side, and this is the automated chatbot that we can basically chat with, and it will help us. Now if you type in a message, it will quickly reply and it will tell you what your problem is. That's basically how you can contact the AI chatbot on eBay. That's it for today's video. Thank you for watching.